What are you doing?
I'm dicing up some black mushrooms.
Black what?
Mushroom.
Oh,
Black
really?
fungus. Yeah. Today I'm making Vietnamese egg rolls. It is a recipe that is very important to me. It's a recipe that my mother makes. My family immigrated here from Vietnam, and my mom would make egg rolls every year for Christmas because my parents didn't have any money. But this is the way that she gave presents of love to all of our family friends. So in this egg roll recipe, there are a lot of ingredients. So the first thing I do is I take the shrimp out and I start dicing it, and then I season it with salt, garlic pepper, and fish sauce. Next thing I do, I open a can of crab. Crab gives it that kind of that seafood umami flavor to the egg roll.
Hey, Phu.
Hi, chefs.
What's up?
Hi.
What are you making?
Today we're doing a Vietnamese egg roll. So I took this challenge to heart. It's gonna be tough for me to talk about. It's from my mom. She has dementia.
No, no.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Take your time.
When we came to the United States, we didn't have any money. So the people that helped us, the way my mom thanked them was she made egg rolls. It's why I love cooking. So it's hard for me to articulate it.
Yeah.
I feel like it's the epitome of who I am as a cook.
Yeah, I always say that this isn't what we do, it's who we are. The good thing with food is a good cook can go back in time. So you're making this dish that reminds you of the years before, and then years from now, you'll be able to do the same thing.
Hopefully I honor her, and hopefully I elevate it too.
I'm sure you already have.
Yeah.
Thank you, chefs.
Thank you.
This dish is the true DNA of why I cook. You know, I love my mother tremendously, and she is the reason why I cook. She's the reason why I love food, and this dish is so significant to me. So not only do I want to pay respect to my mom, but I want to do justice for my family and hopefully execute for the win.
Hi, this is Alejandra Ramos. I am so excited to be a part of the Great American Recipe on PBS. Here's more delicious moments from the show for you to devour. You can watch the full competition on the PBS video app. And if you're looking for recipes, head over to pbs.org/food.